यामना मरुओइबा लंबी अमनी मसीना नागालैंड मकोकसुंग ताखिदौनी मसी अनौबा नेशनल हाईवे से मसी साबसी सही तरुक मुकी ममांगदगी पाइखलको हौबनी हौजी फाउदा डेवलपमेंट जी दे लेते मरमसिना मसीगी लेरिबा कंस्ट्रक्शन की मौंग से अदुकी मतिक यामना अखोगी फियर ओइदब अदगी ट्रांसपेरेंट ओइदब then accountability oidaba asuguma mayam se akhona thengnarakpada chatpada thengnabada akoi phange masigi matangda yagang pokpitu fins corner masigi package se masi package ani leiriba se masiju thabak phajana paihatre it is quite hopeless masigi construction paikhaliba vara infra limited yes masigi leiriba degi subcontractor sisu masigi contractor sisu lowest tender rate thadhara kanda tawbusina masigi kaithoriba package se masi government of manipur na su yengchandre pwd department su yengchandre ministry NSIDCL na su masi phajana yengchandre adura masigi se matam changna paikhatpada natana leiriba पाइखलिबा मोंग से याम ट्रांसपेरेंट ओइदबा अमा अखोइना थेंगनरे हौजिक लेरिबसी SQMS स्टेट क्वालिटी मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम से मसी मसु पूरा टोटली फेल स्टेट अखोइगी पैकेज खुदिमकी मसीगी ऑफिस मम हांगदबनी इंजीनियरिंग सेल अमा मसीगी SQMS मसीगी मॉनिटरिंग अखोइगी ऑफिस मम हांगदबनी अदुसु पैकेज खुदिंगी हांगदबसी जो हांगद्रे मरमदुना contractor सिंगसे सिगी यांगंग पोकपितु फिंस कॉर्नर सिबक्ता सब contractor 50 सब contractors are there अदु मसी करीगी 50 contractors द पिथो इनो हाइबसे it's a big question because the contractor is safe is unable to perform the construction work haibine मरमदी टेंडर तव मतमदा फजना अखोइगी construction company सिंगदु फजना असो construction company the people supidi aduga chumna degi ministry gi magi pocket gi puthokpa contractor khara tawrakanda paisa se loot tore the agencies of the NSIDCL and the ministry of road construction sigi ministry gi authority na makoi free khau di puthokpa contractor puthokanda tawbodegi almost all the funds looted by these sub-agents and agents of the NSIDCL, the Ministry of Road and Surfaces, the authorities in the Paikali, it is very much unsatisfactory. Masigi package anisida Paikali Hana मसीगी कनो दसु फंगे Google Earth असीगी mapping दसु फंगे we can see it through Google Earth mappings then अदगी मसीदा पीरिबा DPR से DPR से की मतुंगी ना construction से ताउदरे मागी DPR new DPR सीधा पीरिबा से मसी अखोई की double lane si semakpa matamda hanagi existing roads all existing roads nataba anova akhoigi alignment ama DPR si da piri base paikhatreba that Google akhoigi earth mapping is with me adudai tu da lairiba posiga masi karimta amta manadre adu existing all road paikhatpa haibasi anova alignment the paikata bahibasi they are looting the fund subcontractors and the contractors are looting the public fund maramaduna masigi pose punso shwere masina marab oirakanda construction ki quality laitre then supervision laitre then no transparency and no accountability Maramaduna masida seasonariba construction materials like stones, sands, cements, low quality. See, machine tawre. The masigi maintain construction ki materials quality maintain tawre. Adun hari ba package number 1 and 2 yangang popi to Fins corner. Masida faculty living is quite desperate and hopeless. Urkul Imphal to Jesami Masina Achova Urkul gi parasing the Pigadava road ki Kudong Chava Masigi Lambi Kudong Chava Fangadava one to one but remote villages of the Urkul district. Masida Pigadava connecting to the district headquarters, to the state capital, to the other states, these highways. Masigi mayam ji limna masi mangadore. Maramudur is very unfortunate that masigi funse masi lakwase phajana sina hodragadi the matung future fund amuk laktabi hai. It is a 1,000 crore project from Imphal to Jesami. Masina har sigi package ani yagang pukpitu si Urkul sigi ama package NS sigi ama leire. Then package 3 is jo masigi clear picture amadi sanction amount se hojik leitri. Then package 4 Urkul to Soiter, that is about 16.37 crores. Masiju akoi hojik thabak phajana packet pa udri. Then again package number 5 Soiter to Marem way to Jesami, it is about the amount is 225.83 crores. And again from Mariam to Jesami, it is about the sanction amount is about 221.22 crores. Highly Basisu Masigi Lairiba Bhara Infra Limited, then SS Builders, then ISBS Construction Private Limited. Masigi SS Builders issue Masisu Akoigi company is qualified over company neti. Akoigi ministry gi then NSIDCL gi pocketegi putopo contractor ne. Aduna thabak singse packet pa khokopagi si thabak singse fajana am fear over packet pam di udre. Yes, of course, ISBS construction gi thabak ti khara fajana paikali. Magi atai siga high rogadi then SS Builders madi sidi hopeless way. Aduna masigi Manipur ki lifeline, not only the people of Urkul district, it is the lifeline of the people of entire Manipur. Masigi se paikhat pasidasi da paikhat liba construction se masi sisu pura aikoi asa leite. Aduna masigi parja singna masigi penda bamayam singje Urkul ki parja singna phongdorei. Aikoi na highways na satpada leirebiba situation kaithui ba thousands crore project ase masi siga leirebiba adagi sarkar ki department singna yengchen bidraba state ki nasu yengchen bidraba NSIDCL na paikhat le haidana state ki PWD department nasu yengchen draba then NSIDCL ki authority nasu yengchen draba adagi ISQMS ki thabak chu phajana paikhat draba paisa di tha khudingi paisa kathui package kaithui manam di masi monitor town with the paisa kaithui. Then at the field, at the ground, it is zero. Masigi Urkul ki parja singna asa tor mo mayam sing do asam ta town liti. Masidi paisa loot town na ba this well organized looting the public fund. Maramaduna Urkul ki parja singna nuai bam thokte. Then Manipur ki parja singna nuai te. Adro masi where is the government authority? Where is the PWD authority of the state government? Even if it fails to take off properly by the NSIDCL, why the state government PWD department is silent? Maramaduro masi state government ki double engine lengak se state government ju fail ore adagi ministry ki department ki agency me yam ju fail ore adro masi aiko yamna nuaite masi ki accountability su laitraba adagi only paisa loot down no tawa masigi package se masi sahi yankhai sahi chamadi masigi thousands crore se kai thokra matung di lambi je amu hana semakpagi plan leiraktaba yae. Then kanana mangi dudi Urkul ki parja na mangi Manipur ki parja na mangi adro masi athuba matam da सरकार ने यंगशन बियू स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अमल लेरी NSIDCL ना पाइखल लगा सु स्टेट गवर्नमेंट लेरी से कइदौ लेरी गाय बसे मसी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की मथौ नेबा मसी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की सब्जेक्ट नेबा अदु मसी कइंतु तौद्रगदी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ना go to hill adagi meeting with the people of the hills. It is nonsense. Aduna maram markanda state government ki legislators adagi PWD governor president rules governors rules hai masi yengchin gedabane adu yengchin dirgadi masi sarkar amal lai haibagi president rule government means directly controlled by the government of India. Masina karigi yengchandri no mase koi nuaite. We are not happy with this construction work, ongoing construction work of this Impal to Jesami by Rukul. Loinana Anisuba portion da Urkul Toloi Tadu be stress. That is National Highway 102, 96 kilometers. Asiju is quite desperate, hopeless. Masigi video akoi thadok charake akoi team amasu yengchin jarur hai. Then masigi paikhaliba NSIDCL gi masigi leiriba paikhaliba contractors hai masiju multi crore contractors awarded to the various farms ni masigi farm se SSS builder hopeless contractor SS builder Ganapati builders JV for package number 2, 41.4 kilometers. Sina SSS builder Ganapatina. Then Anisuba package number 3, MS Satish Agrawal and Co. For package number 3, 31 kilometer. Then Ahum Suba contractors MS AK Sivare Infra Limited. That is package number 4, 23.9 kilometer. Haiba Urkul Toloi Masigi Tadubi stretch Masiju Tidi unlimited ne Masigi Magi duration Magi Sigi Kenosi longevity se Masidi Queen Sakadabni National Highway standard ne like Delhi to Agra, Delhi to Mumbai. The same even national highway ki standard ne but then Manipur the paikhali city akoi si karino akoi ki Manipur ki praja sing su mi oina udrabraba ministry government of India na then state government ki president rule government sina then BJP government sina akoi ki mi sing sibu tumit kang oina urabraba akoi si karim khangdaba mi da urabraba hairiba urkul toloi tadu bi state sisu masisu pura akoi ki laiba masigi fair construction laitre adagi then transparency laitre then accountability sisu laitre then maside sida ISQM sisu phajana ta hogda badagi masigi state quality monitoring system sisu ai khoi phajana ta hogda badagi hai basi phanjing su loina lut tawre aduga hojik si lambi sidi sahi ama ani pharak pachidi horrible lambi sidi pura loire pa shape koila black topping he tor paga kai re aduna maram morkanda masigi siju leiriba hojiki action masi inquiry tawgadabani aduga nauna amuk thagadabani masidi pura si hopeless way lambi si aduna akoina the people of Urkul and the Manipur masin asa tawjan bathabak tu di akoi karimta hoji masigi expectation mayam du di akoi leitre aduna masigi masiju leiriba lambi si hairiba DPR du gi matungina semiba magi original DPR du gi matungina tawdabadagi hairiba lambi sisu nong churakpa matamda loina landslide thokpa adagi aduguma mayam jona lambi singsi nong amutang churpa matamda chatpa yadre then what is the use of this construction on the basis of the national highway ni hairo nong chura chatpa yadragadi kai kana duri ge adro masi gi original DPR do the Taudrabnina, Pocketagi, BJP, Pocketagi, Putopa contractor and subcontractors na Taurabnina, Magi, DPR, the Yauriba, O cutting to Taudreva. Hybrid existing all road stress to the Dumsat Madugi Hana lady, and the Kirkapoya was induced properly. Akoigi quality maintained Taudrabina, landslide Tawa, then erosion Tokpa Nongchuba, whether I mean rainy season da as it to ever. And no cutting Sisu, Taudramina Magi alignment is chumna later. Then it's a very unfortunate Akoi Sugumba National Highway construction Trokumatamda Sumaina Hector Akoigi lump sum da adagi then quality maintained out the visitor say Masi state government later. State government is not doing for the people of Urkul and the people of Manipur. Aduna Masi, we are not happy with this also. Masigi Haiba, the Urkul to then Senapati, then Imphal to Jesami, Masigi Lambisi, the Huzia Koji Sami Chatuni. After this press conference, then Masi Desh the Akon Saturi Basi, Adikimatic lady with Lambisi, Desh the Pau Taba the Lloyd, Masi, Pura Hogi War Zone, the Satpa, full white from Merks, the Padrasing. Ahoy, am the Nuite, Masigi. Urkulgi remote area the connecting village mayam ama tuan bas degi highways the lakadoba mayam jingina lambi chatpa gi awaba leiba then treatment gi awaba leiba adagi district headquarters the lakadaba gi village mayam periphery area village mayam jinggi lakadaba gi awaba inconvenience mayam adagi administration gi thabakta adagi business sector da everything housing university collapse ni sarkar na jingchin bidi haibasidi it's a very clear. Thank you. Right. Our program is not only a particular program, it's an inclusive program. Our leaders are there, and the leaders of the Urkul and Zingai leaders are also present in our team. In fact, we are coming down here for this Jesami program. That is one program is there organized by the Jesami Student Union. This. This, yeah, Tangkul Rangfai. Yes, Northern Rufai Student Union. That is. We are going to join the program today at the evening program, no? And on the way to join the program, we, as I said to you, it's an inclusive program. We concern about these development activities and the problems that faced by the people of the Urkul people, no? So when we study about Urkul, the lots of difficulties faced by the people, we come to know that, and earlier also we have given the statement about the district council also. The district council elections is not also holding, and the term has been expired in the last 6 years back, and still the election plan is not there by the state government. This is also very unfortunate and difficulty faced by the people of the autonomous district council Urkul, because as after the expiry of this term, the financial grants supposed to be given by the 15th Finance Commission award, that is also not available by the people of Urkul. As you know that the 15th Finance Commission is awarded to the Autonomous District Council. So now for the entire local bodies like ADCs, the pending fund of the 15th Finance Commission is around 692 crores, which is supposed to be taken up development works for the hills peoples. See, the development works that's to be taken off under this scheme is in various, that is various work, like for the purpose of agriculture, then IVRs, and the different social connected development works to be taken up under this uh, 15th Finance Commission Award. This 15th Finance Commission Award is divided. It has two heads. That is, one is tied fund and untied fund. So under this scheme, social related activities and different environment related activities to be taken up under this 15th Finance Commission Award. And at the same time, this fund is a grant from the uh, Ministry of Finance under the 15th Finance Commission Award. So that fund is not available. That fund is not released to the autonomous district councils of the different hill areas because of not holding the elections in the district council. No, so that fund, that 15th Finance Commission Award is going to end by 31st March of 2026. And again from 1st April, 16th Finance Commission Award will be starting. This 15th Finance Commission is going to end by, I'm repeating, is going to end by this 31st March. So the fund is not getting by the people. Development work is not done. That is injustice done by this government. So that's why we are not mentioning the BJP now and then. But because of the failure of the BJP, the people of the hill people are not getting the fund. That is why we are mentioning the BJP. So that is the problem faced by the hill people. It is injustice. It is violating the provision of the constitution that enshrined in the constitution. It is violating the right of the people of hill. That is what I am mentioning. Sometimes in mentioning the BJP, no. So this is, in fact, is a part of the disease only. And the other area, the whatever scheme taken up by this state government, maybe the central fund through state government, all the schemes collapse because this cheap propaganda made by the former government, ministers and all, the councils of ministers, which failed everything. Not only the hill areas and the other, the valley area too. The scheme which have been taken up under this president rule government and the former this council of ministers, they were totally anti people and the scheme totally failed to deliver to the people. That is why we always very much concerned. And this, if they are intentionally doing this looting, creating the scheme, no. So our voice, our Congress voice, no, is a voice of the people, and it is exposing to the people, but they are misusing the machineries. They are misusing the institutions. Not only undermining the democracy, they are misusing the institutions. They are in collusion with the departments. They are looting the funds of the public. So that's why we have to expose and the people. We need to understand these issues. Otherwise, only the Congress party cannot do everything. In cooperation with the people and the Congress party, we need to do something for the entire people. This is why we are our program to Urkul is in fact is inclusive, and it includes all this cultural program and this, and regarding the Russian this development which this destroy the AMG Narega, the powerful scheme for the poor people, millions of the peoples benefiting the benefits under the Mahatma Gandhi Narega, and it includes the hill people also. This Manrega, this destroy by the this Narendra Modi ji, and again replace the name itself as VB Ramji. So in fact, it is destroying the legacy of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and again, no, is destroying the legal guarantee of the poor people of the entire people of Manipur, particularly the hill people. As we know, Manrega, AMG Narega, people's getting the rights. It's given the rights of the people, legal guarantee. If the 100 days is not fulfilled under this AMG Narega, then people can go to the court because the right has given under this act AMG Narega. But under this replace this as VV Ramji, there is no legal guarantee. People cannot go to the court. The entire poor people cannot move. It is not guarantee and cannot move to the court. That's why we are moving for the Manrega Bachao Sangram. That is a part of our protest. This also include for the people of Urkul. So you see the poor people under one village, no, you see they are getting jobs when there is no any, the many things like the entrepreneurs, there is no, when there is no government job, Manrega giving jobs to the poor people, to the remote areas. But after this replace scheme, that is BBG Ramji, there is no guarantee at all. After some year also, they may demolish this BBG Ramji. That is why we are very much concerned about this MG Narega. In fact, as you asked, our program is an inclusive program.